Would you sleep with me? Why? What's a compliment from me that you'll never forget? When did you first realize that you liked me? Pendula she. What's good YouTube? It's a poem. She's on my quality, aka Dereal Maor Wave. So guys, today we're doing a prank on we're gonna call them and ask them crazy questions. Part 1. Guys, if you enjoy my videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe, guys. Road to 10k subscribers this year, and please may this video reach 1000 likes. She's not my girlfriend, actually she's my friend, so I'm gonna ask her crazy questions. Hello? Alright. Yayizi voice yami. Angazi. Siyo ngujoni. Kuyahlola. Yeah? Right, ngobuza, ndiyambuza mfoyibuza. Ngicela uphendule kahle, ungaqamba amanga. Ngiyacela shi. Alright. Into engifuna uqala ukuyibuza ukuthi, when did you first realize that you liked me? When did you first realize that you liked me? Pendula she. Grade 7. You one. Since grade 7. Nagatis. Why? So akula. Right, man, mbuzi too. What's the sweetest things I ever done for you? Akula. Why? 18. I'm serious, 18. Nanza buze 5 kodwa. Alright. And olandela uthi, so would you take me right now? Why? Ngiyakwazi mngani wami. Kodwa phela abangani ba date abe. So angeke. Wena mana mbuzo is4. Mana so. What's a compliment from me that you'll never get? Chenye one serious. Yeah? Like yabo kade ulo muntu emfonela kodwa akazange answer phone yabo. So mfonele wena. Pendula be. Uthi, what's a compliment from me that you'll never forget? Ntila la. Alright, yokucina. Would you sleep with me? Why? Alright, bye-bye. Now fine.
And so in my intent to
she died. I'm not phone even.
okay, kid.
You guys. As you saw, guys, yeah. We didn't finish the prank because of him, and if you guys,
the time was low, guys. Because of this boy.
If you guys enjoy the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Road to 10k subscribers, guys, and please note that this was a prank video, nothing personal. And another thing, guys, what? Yeah, road to 10k, guys. We're closing the V right now.